Welcome to WebUI Training, course number 60, Grids, Part 1. This training video will introduce you to grids in WebUI. Key concepts covered are exporting grids, adjusting the amount of records shown, sorting, adjusting row height, and drill down. Before starting, you will need to have completed the following courses.
Grids can be found in almost every single screen throughout WebUI, so understanding how to navigate them and use them efficiently is vital to your success. Grids display a list of records in a table format. From a grid, you can review, select, and drill down into a record for further processing. Let's jump into order inquiry. As you can see, I've already performed a search, and it's populated the grid. These are all the records that match our search, and it's populated in a table format showing 50 records per page. You can scroll down using your mouse, or you can use the scroll bar. From here, within the grid, you can scroll right and see all the information associated with that header record. You also have the ability to drill down into the record by clicking on this black arrow, which is also considered a hyperlink. Whenever I click on that arrow, it takes me to order inquiry. After your search has completed, you have the ability to change how many records show per page. So if you didn't want to scroll within your grid, you could change the amount of records shown to 5. And as you can see, it shows only 5 per page now. You also have the ability to click on this ellipse here and change your row height. Say if this is too squished for you, you'd be able to change it to medium, and you can see it has more real estate to work with between the records shown in the grid. And you also can change it to normal. Within the grids, you also have the ability to sort based on any one of the column headings. To sort, all you do is click on the column heading, and it will toggle between descending and ascending order indicated by the black arrow next to the column heading. There are also instances throughout WebUI when working in a grid, you have the ability to expand the row to see more information. Anytime you see a plus arrow, all you do is click on the plus arrow and it expands it to show more information based on that record. Within each grid, you will also see checkboxes. After you select a checkbox, you can perform actions on this record, such as copy, edit, accept, submit. Actions are typically indicated by what's in the top right-hand side above the grid. For example, now that I have this selected, I can choose to print it. If this record was unselected, I wouldn't have any of these options, indicated by them being grayed out. Another example is from the report screen. I select the record, and as you can see, all the actions have activated. So now I can edit, copy, and/or delete this record. Anytime there's a grid within WebUI, you also have the ability to export it to Excel. To do so, all you do is navigate to the ellipse, click on it, and choose Export to Excel. And it will automatically download. Once finished downloading, all you do is click, and it will open in Excel.
Congratulations! You have just completed course number 60, Grids, Part 1. Now it's time to try it out. Go to Employees at Work, click the WebUI Train icon, follow the instructions to log in. Here's your suggested next course.